Actually, we knew it was kind of bad, but we didn't know as bad as it was. We were kind of shocked when we got that report.
We knew we had to do something. We didn't know to what extent. This is the people's house, and they want to keep it. They want to preserve it.
We went through a process. It wasn't a bidding process, it was an elimination. We brought 3 contractors in. We had to go through the whole procedure and, I end up picking them. And not every contractor can do this work. You got to be specialized. They have the history, they have the background, they have the experience, and they care about what they do.
They're such professionals. They knew what they were getting into. They know what they're doing. Doug's been doing this a long time. His dad started the company. His kids are in it. His brothers are there, and it's a family affair. And that's amazing to see that a family works that well together.
We were impressed of the drawings they made. We were impressed. They got a model sitting. We got it sitting in our commissioner's meeting room right now. They went as far as to build this thing to make it look like what it's going to originally look like. So that tells me they have passion because they want to make sure we understand. Can't say enough good about them.
I was just at ease with them all the time and comfortable. I called him a lot and had a lot of questions, and the longer it went, the more I trusted him.
We know it's right. Our engineer just, we had him checking things out as they went. He don't have anything but good to say about it. We got to take care of our buildings, especially this one. It's unreplaceable. We do a lot of things, but I think this is probably the biggest thing that I hope we go down in history that we took care of, and I think it will be.
I've been around a long time. I've done a lot of things, and I think this is a project. We're seeing Lady Justice and this new tower up there and this stuff. I drive out here a lot of times way early in the morning when the sun is coming up still, just to look at it. So yeah, it makes my heart grow.